Hello everyone. Welcome to my first video in Python tutorial for beginners. And in this video, I will give you first brief overview of Python. In that, we will discuss some of the important features of Python. Then we will discuss why Python is in demand as per the current market trend. After that, I will tell you why Python is also called a scripting language. Then in the last, we will discuss how Python is different from other programming languages like Java, C, C++. Okay, so Python today stands amongst the top 5 most popular and fastest growing programming language. It is easy to learn. Python has less keywords, simple structure, and a clearly defined syntax as compared to other languages. So students pick Python language quickly. Python is easy to read because Python code is more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. Python source code is easy to maintain. Python have rich library sets which supports several programming tasks like searching text, linking to web server, modifying and reading files, etc. It allows developer to run the code anywhere, including Windows, Mac OS, Unix, and Linux. Python is portable as we can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and it has the same interface on all platforms. Python provides interfaces to all major commercial databases. Python supports GUI applications that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries, and Windows systems. It supports functional and structured programming methods as well as OOPs, object-oriented programming. In Python, we can easily extend the code by appending new modules that are implemented in other compiled languages like Java, C, C++. It is a free software. It does not cost anything to use or download Python or to add it in the application. Okay, so till now, whatever we discussed, based on that, we can think Python is a very simple and useful language. And if we talk about current market trend or requirement, Python is in demand and it is useful in many places. Like we can make websites, we can create games. It is also used for database programming. Python, we can use it for web scraping. Python can be used for internet scripting or embedded scripting. Python is also there in robotics, artificial intelligence, and image processing. Even we can use Python in browser automation. For example, Selenium with Python. Right. So one more important point come out from this discussion that generally many people ask. As Python used in internet scripting or embedded scripting, so it means Python is also a scripting language. The answer is yes. Why Python is also a scripting language? Any programming language that uses an interpreter to translate its source code is a scripting language. The interpreter reads and executes each line of code one at a time, just like a script for a play or to perform some action. So Python uses an interpreter to translate and run its code, and that's why it is called a scripting language. Okay, is it clear, right? So my next question is how Python is different from other programming languages like Java, C, C++. The other programming languages like Java, C, C++ are first compiled source code like Java file or some other programming file. Once source code is compiled, executable file will produce and then we can run the executable file to see the output. But as we discussed, Python is an interpreted language, means we don't need to compile Python program. We can directly run our Python program, means it will do runtime compilation. So if any error occurs, we can see only at runtime. So there is no need to compile. There is no feature to compile Python code. Python will execute the program directly. Okay, so in this way, Python is different from other programming language like Java, C, C++. Right, so this is all about the Python introduction. In my next video, we will see how to install Python. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.